ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्यतन विषय अस्ति अस्माकम् अद्यतन विषय अस्ति अभ्यास नवम अभ्यास पेज नंबर 18 पृष्ठक्रमांक 18 18। संज्ञा शब्दस् दे हैव गिवन गुरुः शिशुः भानुः भानु इज सूर्य इंदुः चंद्रमा मून शत्रुः पशुः तरुः ट्री साधुः सज्जन वायुः air हवा। On top of this, there again Kanaha. Kanaha is one-eyed person, blind in one eye. Karanaha, ear. Everyone has understood where I'm reading, right? Page number 18, in the beginning. Badhiraha, deaf person, Bahra. Vivadaha, debate, discussion. On top of this, they are given Netram, eyes, Sukham, happiness, Dukkham, dukkha, pain, Hasitam, laughter, hasna. They are also given Vas, Vas dhatu, to live, Jeev dhatu, to live, Jina. Vas is to stay somewhere, to live in a place. Jina is to live in general. Alam, Avyaya Shabda is given Alam, bas, enough. So here Alam is like enough, stop that. In that context it is enough. It is not enough food, not like that. It is stop it. Stop doing something. Avyaya ya kriya visheshana shabda. So first we see page number 63. Page number 63. Guru Shabda. Ukaranta Pullinga. If you have found Hariji, if you would like to read first 4 vibhaktis, Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Guru Shabda. Mute iti prayoge asti bhavan.
I'll start.
You say. Guru Shabda, 63.
Guru, Guru, Guruvaha, Guru, Guru, Gurun, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubhi, Guruve, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyam.
Gurubhyam. Hariji, Panchami Bhakti to Sambodhana. Maybe some connection issue. Sandhyaji, if you want to continue, you can continue. Panchami Bhakti.
Yes. Guru,
Guru,
Gurubhyam, Gurubhyam, Guru, Guru, Gurunam, Guru.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can hear you.
Internet went off. You are saying you finished, na? Guru. Right when you finished, it went off. Gurau, Guruvoho, Gurushu, Hey Guru, Hey Guru, Hey Guravaha. I lost internet connection. Okay. Can you hear? Maybe.
Yeah, I can hear.
Okay. I'm going to switch off video to help the audio. Okay.
Okay.
So Guru Shabda is going like this. This is something that you have to keep in mind. This is called Ukaranta Pullinga. So Pullinga Shabda. This is also male. Guru Shabda is also male. So on top of this, so for example, when we say Shri Gurubhyo, Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, this is the Gurubhyo in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Gurubhyo, Gurubhyaha is given, right? In Bahuvachana, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Gurubhyaha, That is Gurubhyo, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Gurubhyaha. Then they have also given Bhu Dhatu Bhavishyat. So today we are seeing Lit Lakara. Lit Lakara is future tense. So first 5 abhyasas we saw Lat Lakara, Vartaman Kal, present tense. Then 6th abhyasa we saw Lot Lakara, Agnya. 7th abhyasa we saw Lang Lakara. Lang Lakara is which tense?
Past.
Past tense, correct. And then yesterday 8th abhyasa we saw Vidhiling, order to give instruction and advice. And today we are seeing future, Rit Lakara. So in this book, these 5 lakaras only are there. If we have understood these 5 lakaras, we can say whatever is in this book, we can answer. These 5 lakaras are the basis of this entire book. Lat, Lot, Lang, Vidhiling, Rit. So Rit Lakara, Bhavishyat, Bhavishya Kala. So Bhavishyati, Bhavishyataha, Bhavishyanti is Prathama Purusha. So for example, this will be Saha Bhavishyati, right? Bhavishyati is Prathama Purusha. So Saha Bhavishyati, Te Bhavishyanti. Saha Patishyati, Te Patishyanti. Saha Taute will be in the first one. Then second, Bhavishyasi, Bhavishyataha, Bhavishyatha. So Tvam Bhavishyasi, Tvam Patishyasi. You will read. Tvam Patishyasi. Okay. Madhyama Purusha Tvam. Then Aham, Bhavishyami. Aham will be Bhavishyami, Bhavishyavaha, Bhavishyamaha. Aham Bhavishyami, Avam Bhavishyavaha, Vayam Bhavishyamaha. So in some dhatus, it will have Ish Rupa and some dhatus will have Sya Rupa. So Bhavishyati, we have Ish. But the same dhatu, it will have this, for example, Nam dhatu. To do namaskara, that will be namsyati. It will not have ish. It will be nams. Like ish will become nams. We will see examples later on page number 11. We will quickly see examples because in this abhyasa, the exercise are very little. We will quickly finish exercise. It won't take more than 5-10 minutes to finish the whole abhyasa. So you just see examples in the second page. Also, see one more thing. Niyam 17, right at the bottom of page number 18. Alam के साथ तृतीया होती है. So तृतीया vibhakti is used with bas. Bas kar. Stop eating means kadhena mat bas. Kadhena alam. Alam kadhena. Stop fighting. Don't fight. Alam vivadena. Don't do debate. Like that. झगड़ा मत करो. They have given example. झगड़ा मत करो. अलम विवादेना. मत हंसो. अलम हंसीतेना. Stop laughing. अलम हंसीतेना. एंड नेक्स्ट नियम, शरीर के जिस अंग में विकार से विकृति दिखाई पड़े उनमें तृतीया, उसमें तृतीया होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे नेत्रेण काणः. काणः मीन्स ब्लाइंड इन वन आई. सो नेत्रेण, नेत्रेण इज तृतीया विभक्ति. नेत्रः नेत्रौ, नेत्राः नेत्रम, नेत्रौ नेत्रान्. नेत्रेण, नेत्र सॉरी नेत्रम शब्द इज नपुंसकलिंग. सो इट विल बिकम लाइक पुस्तकम. नेत्रम नेत्रे नेत्राणि. नेत्रम नेत्रे नेत्राणि. नेत्रेण तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचन. सो इट विल बी नेत्रेण काणः, ब्लाइंड इन वन आई. और कर्णेन बधिरः, डेफ इन ईयर. Karna and Badhira are also given on page number 18, fourth line, third line. Then last niyama, one more we see. प्रकृति आदि क्रिया विशेषण शब्दों में तृतीया होती है. जैसे स्वभाव से सरल. प्रकृत्या साधुः. That person is by nature a good person. प्रकृत्या, प्रकृति, nature. प्रकृत्या साधुः, calm. प्रकृत्या साधुः. सुखेन जीवति. He is living with happiness. सुखेन जीवति. दुःखेन जीवति. Living with sadness, living in sadness. Dukkhena jivati, sukhena jivati. Prakritya sadhuhu, calm by nature, and so on. Okay. Any questions before we do abhyasa?
Ravishi, I have one question.
Yes, yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
In the Vyakarana part of the abhyasa on page
18.
18, in the first item, Guru Shabda Ke Pure, that is there. But next there it will Dekho Sab Sankhya 3. What does it mean?
That page
What is
number,
the three? What are the three?
page number 63 is Shabda Sankhya 3.
60.
Page 63.
Oh, it's called page 63 is 3, is it?
Yeah, no, so you see page 63, in that there are many Shabda Sankhya's. So Shabda Sankhya 1 is Rama.
Okay, alright, got it. Yeah.
You saw page 63, if you are able to see, page number, Shabda Sankhya 2. Shabda Sankhya
Yeah, I
1
got it.
is Rama, Shabda Sankhya 2 is Hari, right? Shabda
Okay, got
Sankhya
it,
3 is Guru.
Yep.
Okay, like that they have 30 or 40 Shabda Sankhya's.
Alright, thank you.
Sundarji, welcome. We are starting Abhyasa, page number 19.
Right.
We have quickly seen page 18. I assume you have already seen at home, so it's not a problem. I will just read that Udaharan Vakya on page number 19. By the way, if the electricity goes again, I will reconnect. No worries. I may disconnect for a few seconds and I will reconnect. Page 19, Udaharan Vakya. Vaha padega sa patishyati. So we saw already lat lakara pathati. In lang lakara this will be sa patishyati sa
In lang lakara, apatatha, no?
apatat. Apatat, not apatat.
Apatat.
Apatata will be for Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachana will be apatata. So apatat.
Okay.
Sa apatati. Apatat. And in Lot Lakara it will be Pathatu. Sa Pathatu. He should read. And in Vidhiling Lakara it will be Sa Pathet. His advice. It is good for him to read. Padna chahiye. So that is given in 5 lakaras. If we understand these, I was just saying, if we understand these 5 lakaras, this entire book, we can answer any question. The main point of this book is these 5 lakaras, first 9 abhyasas. Lat, lot, lang, vidhiling, drit. Today we are seeing drit. Bhut, bhavishya. Bhavishyaka. Okay. So, vaha padega sa patishyati. Tu padega tvam patishyasi. मैं पढ़ूंगा अहम पठिष्यामि. सो मैं खाऊंगा विल बी सुंदर जी वदतु मैं खाऊंगा. आई विल ईट.
Aham khadishyami.
अहम खादिष्यामि. करेक्ट. हरि जी वदतु आई विल प्ले. क्रीडतु. यू आर ऑन म्यूट हरि जी.
Aham क्रीडष्यामि.
करेक्ट. क्रीडिष्यामि. पाठिष्यामि. क्रीडिष्यामि. संध्या जी भवती वदतु आई विल व्हाट विल बी. आई विल सी. पश दृश धातु. Okay, no, C is different. No, don't say C. That will come later. I will.
Sorry, it's breaking.
Sorry. Can you hear me now? You
Yeah.
can't hear me. Sundarji, can you switch off video today because our bandwidth is slow.
Sure.
If there is a
Bandwidth,
problem,
okay, no problem,
I will
no
also switch off video. Sandhya ji, bhavati vadatu, vad dhatu, I will say. How will you say in Sanskrit? Aham patishyami, aham khadishyami, aham kridishyami, aham what? For vad dhatu.
I will.
Speak. Vad.
Aham. Speak is.
Vad dhatu. Vadati.
Vadishyami.
Correct. Samyak. Vadishyami. Aham vadishyami. So this is the pura roop of bhavishyakal, this rit lakara. Sa griham gamishya. So now in the 4th point, we are reading page number 19, Udaharan Vakya, point number 4, Chatwari. Everyone found, right? I hope everyone found. If everyone found, don't say anything.
Yes.
Okay. Everyone found. 4th point, I will just read. They have given examples. In 4th and 5th point, they have given examples because some dhatus will decline like what we saw. Patishyami, khadishyami, kridishyami, vadishyami. But some dhatus will not have ish. They will have is. So it will be namsyati, namsyami, or drakshyami, or different examples. Satsyami, like that it will decline. We will see now. So fourth point, sahagraham gamishyati, hasishyati, balakam rakshishyati, protects balaka, vadishyati, atra agamishyati, he comes here, skaryam karishyati, bhojanam kadishyati, kridishyati, patishyati, smarishyati, harishyati, eshishyati. Eshishyati is he will have desire, he will want. Lekhishyati, he will write. Chorayishyati, he will steal. Chintayishyati, think. Kathayishyati, speak. Bhakshayishyati, eat. Rachayishyati, make. Devishyati, glow. Nartishyati, nashishyati, brahmishyati. So all these dhatus, they are declining cha. In the end, they have put cha. Everything cha. That same person is doing all these things. Ishyati. And fifth point they have said, sa bhojanam pakshyati. So this is how the other dhatus, they are going to decline like this. Pach dhatu will become pakshyati. It will not become pachishyati. It is pakshyati. And nam dhatu will not be namishyati. It will be namsyati. So certain dhatus decline in a certain way. There is a sutra for this. But here we see examples. Sa bhojanam pakshyati, gurum namsyati, putram drakshyati, sthasyati, jalam pasyati, pushpam ghrāsyati, satsyati, shatrum jeshyati, pustakam neshyati, durjanam totsyati, pushpam sprakshyati, prashnam prakshyati, graham pravekshyati, atra vatsyati cha. So you see, different dhatus are declining in different ways. We just have to remember this. Now we will see second Sanskrit.
Akashi.
Yes.
Sorry, Akashi.
No.
So the word is nasyati for namaskar, is it? Not namasyati.
Namsyati.
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 Okay, because in the PDF that Bindu is you can't see.
Okay.
Maybe it is there in the book.
Yeah, it is in the book. Hariji, it is in the book, right? Hariji will have the book with him. You're on mute.
Which one? Namsyati. So what's it?
Namsyati. Page number 19, sixth line. Last word. Before last word.
Yeah.
Namsyati, right? Not nasyati.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay.
It's namsyati or nasyati?
Chesh pustakam neshyadi pushpam. Just looking at the grammar. Nasyadi. I trying to
Before pushpa, before, ahead of pustakam. On the line before pustakam. Gurum namsyati. Gurum namsyati.
I'm still trying to locate it.
It's okay. You see the fifth point?
So, yeah, namsyati, correct.
Namsyati.
Gurum namsyati.
Okay, not nasyati. Sandhyaji on PDF.
Namsyati.
Okay. And Sandhyaji on your PDF it says namsyati or nasyati?
Nasyati.
Okay, you have to change that. See, PDF has a mistake. I think the PDF, it has just gone, that ink would have gone or whatever with time. It is namsyati. Okay, namsyati. So now we do Sanskrit Banao. Okay, example. Yes, Hariji.
वह पुस्तकम पढ़ेंगे स पुस्तकम पठिष्यति.
Correct. But where is this? Where are you reading from?
संस्कृतम बनाएंगे का one.
वह पुस्तक पढ़ेगा is given, right?
पढ़ेगा. So that is पठिष्यति, right?
Yes. Sorry, I thought you said padenge. So I thought, where is this padega?
No.
Okay. Yes, correct.
Samyak.
Padega? Samyak. Sundar ji vadatu, वह गाँव जाएगा.
सह ग्रामम गमिष्यति.
Correct. संध्या जी भवती वदतु, वह हसेगा.
सः हसिष्यति.
Correct. सम्यक. हरि जी, वह बालक की रक्षा करेगा.
Sorry, say again. Wow, Saha balaki is.
Which vibhakti will it be? Will it be Prathama?
That
Ditya?
would be karmam, that is second.
Correct. Ditya
Second
Vibhakti.
vibhakti.
Yes. So that will be
So balakena.
Balakam. Balakena is Tritiya.
Balakam.
Ha.
Yeah, balakam. Rakshishyati.
Rakshishyati. Correct.
Rakshishyati.
सम्यक.
Rakshishyati.
हाँ. सुंदर जी वदतु वह बोलेगा.
स वदिष्यति.
संध्या जी वदतु वह घर जाएगा.
सः गृह
गृहं
गच्छति
गमिष्यति. गमिष्यति.
गमिष्यति
सः गृहं गमिष्यति. हाँ. हरि जी वदतु वह काम करेगा.
सः
कार्यं.
करिष्यति.
कार्यं
करिष्यति.
करेक्ट. सुंदर जी वह फल खाएगा.
स फलं खादिष्यति. खादिष्यति.
संध्या जी वदतु वह खेलेगा.
सः क्रीडिष्यति
करेक्ट. सम्यक. पत्ता गिरेगा. आई विल ओनली से. ओके टेल हरि जी. पत्ता गिरेगा. पत्रम. पत्रम इज नपुंसकलिंग. सो पत्रम पतिष्यति. सुंदर जी तू ईश्वर को स्मरण करेगा.
तो त्वम ईश्वरं नमस्यसि.
स्मरिष्यति. नमस्यसि इज टू डू नमस्कार. Here they are given स्मरण.
स्मरिष्यसि. करेक्ट.
स्मरिष्यति. हाँ स्मरिष्यसि. संध्या जी तू धन नहीं हारेगा.
धनं
हाँ.
न हारेगा is हरिष्यति.
Yes, harishyasi. See, I just want to say, you see this Sanskrit book, this book is so helpful. Even if you read for 3 days, all Sanskrit mistakes that we are making, we do correctly. This is the good thing about this Rachananuvada Kaumudi. Just little abhyasa, 30 minutes, 40, because we all know what mistakes we were making even 2-3 days ago. And today we are not making those mistakes. That is a wonderful thing about this book. We just little practice, we make it correctly.
Okay. So sorry, Akashi, just one question on this. See,
Yes.
when we say that tu dhan nahi harega.
Yes. Harega.
So harega.
Ah.
So would that be a lot or would that be a bhavishyattam? It almost feels like an instruction to say you will not lose wealth.
Instruction would be mat harana. Mat harana mat harana nahi.
Mat harana. Okay.
This is harega, right? Harega is always future. So it will be harishyati. Harishyasi.
Thank you.
Hariji. Kutra smaha? 13. Tu chahega.
कार्यं करिष्यसि.
No, 13. Number 13. Tu chahega.
Number 30. Wah.
1-3.
1-3. Just trying to figure out where is 1-3 is. 3 is tum chai. Tu is the second Madhyama Purusha.
Correct. Tvam.
So Madhyama Purusha is
Tvam.
Tvam, yeah. Tvam karishyasi.
Chahega. Eshishyasi.
Eshyasi.
Eshishyasi. Eshishyati. Why? Because it is given in the first Udaharan Vakya, 4th line. Eshishyati. Example is given. So, Swam Eshishyasi. So, Sundarji Vadatu. Next.
Okay. So, tvam patram Likishyasi.
लेखिष्यसि
Lekishyasi.
लेखिष्यसि
Lekishyasi. Correct.
सम्यक हाँ संध्या जी तू धन नहीं चुराएगा
त्वं धनं
नरम
न चोरिष्यति
is it have they given example somewhere they have given in the beginning
yes
चोरयिष्यसि चोरयिष्यसि see
they given चोरिष्यति
chorayishyati they are given, right? So it will become chorayishyasi. You said that or you said chorishyasi?
चोरिष्यति okay
Samyak. If you said chorayishyasi, correct. Tvam dhanam na chorayishyasi. Hari ji, tu सोचेगा.
Tvam smarishyasi.
Smarishyasi, correct. Hari Sundar ji, tu katha कहेगा.
Tvam katam vadishyasi.
त्वं कथां वदिष्यसि संध्या जी तू फल खाएगा
त्वं फलं खादिष्यसि
वंडरफुल सम्यक तू पुस्तक बनाएगा हरि जी
बनाएगा is what
रच धातु
okay त्वं पुस्तकं रचयिष्यसि
रचयिष्यसि करेक्ट सम्यक बहुत सम्यक सुंदर जी तू नाचेगा
Okay. Tvam nritishyasi.
त्वं नर्तिष्यसि I think right they have given in उदाहरण वाक्य 6th line नर्तिष्यसि
Wait 1 second, did I just read it right? Udaharan Vakya.
6th line first word
Yeah, Nartishyasi.
नर्तिष्यसि
Thank you. Yeah.
संध्या जी मैं भ्रमण करूंगा little difficult but you can do
अहं भ्रमणं करिष्यसि
करिष्यामि
okay
right करिष्यामि correct right उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन करिष्यामि because I right करिष्यामि भवती एव वदतु संध्या जी I am going to ask you one question here they have given मैं भ्रमण करूंगा right what if I say मैं खा दूंगा how will you say मतलब मैं खाऊंगा I will eat
okay मैं खाऊंगा
हाँ
अहं खादिष्यामि
correct सम्यक okay next Hari ji more
Sorry, Akaji, it is not clear to me. Why would we not say aham brahmishyami rather than aham brahmanam karishyami?
you can say brahmishyami you can say that also both are correct so I will do the word to word translation is brahmanam karishyami but you can say brahmishyami that is a better way in fact of saying it but it is not the translation that they expect is brahmanam karishyami because they have given it another place also this karishyami only they have used they have not made it into a verb so they expect this but your thinking is good it is correct where are we Hari ji मैं भोजन पकाऊंगा
अहं भोजनं पचष्यसि
पक्ष्यामि paksh dhatu is given in that udaharan vakya fifth point in the first point pakshyami then Sundar ji next मैं पिता को नमस्कार करूंगा
So just again, one second. Sorry, I'm just.
No problem. Questions are okay.
No, so the point that Hariji just spoke about was which one? Which one was that? The number?
22.
22.
See, this is मैं भोजनम पकाऊंगा. Pakaunga is pach dhatu. Bhaksh dhatu is खाऊंगा.
No, bhaksh is खाऊंगा.
Bhaksh, yeah.
Pach
is, yeah, pach.
To cook.
Okay. To cook. Okay, so sorry, okay, thanks. Yeah,
yes,
fine.
No worries. Bhakshi, okay. if it was खाऊंगा, yes, it will be bhakshayishyami, but that will come later, I think. There will be an example at some point. This is cooking.
So So मैं पिता को, so therefore अहम जनकम नमस्यामि.
करेक्ट, सम्यक, बहुत सम्यक. संध्या जी, मैं चंद्रमा को देखूंगा. डिफिकल्ट बट यू कैन डू.
अहम चंद्रमा
चंद्रमा.
देखिष्यामि.
हाँ, देखिष्यामि. दिस देख धातु विल बी पश्य, पश्येताम.
पश्यामि.
So it will be draksh actually. For drish, it will be, you see, udaharan vakya number 5, third point.
Number 5.
Sa bhojanam pakshyati is there, right?
उदाहरण क्या?
Page 19, first section. Udaharan vakya. In that,
Sir.
sa bhojanam pakshyati you saw? Where are you reading?
फर्स्ट उदाहरण वाक्य फर्स्ट वन राइट.
Yes.
वह पढ़ेगा, तू पढ़ेगा.
हाँ, so where padega is number 1, right? Like that, see number 5, 5th line, 6th line.
3, 4. स भोजन भक्षति.
Pakshyati. हाँ, उसके बाद what is written after that?
गुरु नमस्यति.
Namsyati. Then after that what is written? Putram.
पुत्रं द्रक्ष्यति.
That is that. So Chandramam drakshyami.
द्रक्ष्यामि. ओके. द्रक्ष्यामि.
हरि जी, मैं यहाँ रुकूंगा.
अहम अत्र
हम अत्र
वत्स्यति.
स्था धातु. रुकूंगा is स्था. वत्स्यति will be मैं इधर
Stay. Okay.
staying. So this will be rahunga will be
अहम
with
अत्र तिष्ठति.
स्थास्यामि. That is given in the 5th point again. Sthasyati is given. Sthasyami you have to change.
Okay.
सुंदर जी वदतु, मैं जल पीऊंगा.
अहम जलम पास्यामि.
करेक्ट, पास्यामि. संध्या जी वदतु, मैं शत्रु को जीतूंगा.
अहम
शत्रुम. हाँ,
शत्रु को जीतूंगा.
जीतूंगा.
हर्षयामि.
हरिष्यामि. Yeah, correct. Wonderful. Harishyami. It is there is an example here in one of these places. It is given for Ji Dhatu, but yeah, what you said is correct. I will defeat them. Samyak. Hari ji, vivad mat karo.
Vivad is alam is the word to be used.
Correct. Which vibhakti?
Third vibhakti.
Correct. Alam always with tritiya. Vivad will be vivadena. So it will be alam vivadena.
Alam vivadena.
Sundar ji, mat haso.
अलम हसीतेना.
अलम हसीतेना. सम्यक. संध्या जी, वह कहाँ से आंख से काना है. So you have to use third vibhakti again. आंख will be
थर्ड. नेत्रेण.
हाँ, नेत्रेण.
सेम.
कान. हाँ, वंडरफुल.
नेत्रेण कान.
स नेत्रेण कान. हाँ, बहुत सम्यक. हाँ, हरि जी, वह कान से बहरा है. He is deaf. हाँ, सह
श्रोत्रेण.
हाँ, करेक्ट.
Bahara is the word
Badhira. Correct. You have gone out of context, out of syllabus, but you are correct. Because here they have given karna is kana, but shrotra is correct. As we know in Upanishad, shrotrena, shrotrasya shrotraha, manaso mano vacho. So shrotra is correct. Or karna. So karnena badhiraha athava shrotrena badhiraha. So asti, because they are again hai. वह कान से बहरा है. सह श्रोत्रेण बधिरः अस्ति. सुंदर जी, वह स्वभाव से सरल है.
स प्रकृत्या साधुः
अस्ति सम्यक् प्रकृत्या साधुः अस्ति अस्ति बिकॉज दे हैव गिवन है सरल है एंड संध्या जी वदतु वह सुख से रहता है
वह सुखेन अस्ति
हाँ करेक्ट सुखेन जीवति यू कैन से रहता है जीवति
जीवित
बट करेक्ट सुखेन अस्ति सुखेन जीवति एंड दुख से रहता है दुखेन जीवति दुखेन हरि जी वदतु भवान फिफ्थ अभ्यास अशुद्ध वाक्य इट इज सिंपल फॉर अस दिस टाइम अलम विवादस्य इज अलम विवादेन बिकॉज तृतीया विभक्ति इज टू बी यूज्ड एंड कर्णस्य बधिरः यू हैव ऑलरेडी आंसर्ड कर्णेन बधिरः श्रोत्रेण बधिरः सो हरि जी वदतु दो ख के बहुवचन में बदलो सो ख दात ख शब्द विल बी वह पुस्तक पढ़ेगा सह पुस्तकम पठिष्यति बहुवचन में
पुस्तकम sorry one second पठेंगे is पठिष्यन्ति
पठिष्यन्ति बट इट इज ते पुस्तकम पठिष्यन्ति राइट
ते पुस्तकम
पठिष्यन्ति सम्यक सुंदर जी वदतु वह गांव जाएगा बहुवचन
ते ग्रामं गमिष्यन्ति
करेक्ट संध्या जी वदतु वह हंसेगा बहुवचन
ते
ते
हसिष्यति
हसिष्यन्ति
ओके
हसिष्यन्ति हाँ करेक्ट सम्यक हाँ okay then we will see the next one in shabdon so in the same way when you have time see the abhyasa if you have more abhyasa it is very easy in 10-15 minutes we will be good at bhavishya mute when not talking unmute while talking इन शब्दों के रूप लिखो ख गुरु शिशु so guru shabda shishu shabda etc you have to do as homework over the weekend when possible or later. Guru Shabda is given on page number 63. Guru Shabda is given on page 63. Guru Guru Guravaha. Yes, any question? Okay. Then इनके लिट के लूप देखो. This also you have to see later, but I'll just ask quickly question. Hari ji, pat dhatu उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन what will it be
this which note is
18
sorry uttama purusha ekavacana is patishyasi
why uttama purusha not madhyama purusha
is patishyami
correct पठिष्यामि सुंदर जी वदतु गम धातु मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचन
गमिष्यताम गमिष्यतम
गमिष्यतः
गमिष्यतः sorry गमिष्यतः
this is धातु this is not
गमिष्यतः sorry
मध्यम पुरुष द्विवचन गमिष्यतः करेक्ट
गमिष्यतः
संध्या जी वदतु वद धातु प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन
वदिष्यन्ति
करेक्ट वदिष्यन्ति सम्यक सो इन द सेम वे आई विल आस्क वन मोर एंड देन वी विल स्टॉप हरि जी कृ धातु उत्तम पुरुष सॉरी नो कृ धातु प्रथम पुरुष द्विवचन
करिष्यति
द्विवचन
करिष्यतः
सुंदर जी मध्यम पुरुष उत्तम पुरुष द्विवचन ऑफ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट वन खाद धातु
खादिष्यावः
सम्यक खादिष्यावः संध्या जी हृ धातु विल बी हरिष्यति हृ धातु मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचन
सॉरी व्हिच धातु
हृ okay here is difficult lik dhatu madhyama purusha bahuvachana
लिखिष्यामः
correct madhyama purusha is likhishyatha but it will be lekhishyatha lik dhatu in future will be in lit lakara will become lekhishyati but correct This is correct. Difficult, but you said correctly. Okay, you only say bhavati vadatu, Sandhya ji. Pa dhatu, madhyama purusha, bahuvachana. Pa dhatu.
बहुवचन, right?
Yes.
आविष्यत
Pasyatha. Why pasyatha and not pashyatha? Because here they are given. Pasyati they have given, right?
because
Because pasyati, some dhatus will have sh and some dhatus will have sa. So lekhishyati, you said lekhishyata, but pa will be pasyatha. Okay. Bhavati eva, Sandhya ji, bhavati eva vadatu, pat dhatu, madhyama purusha, dvivachana.
पटिष्यः
Madhyama purusha, dvivachana.
मध्यमपुरुषः पटिष्यः
Patishyatha. Why patishyatha?
here is for भूधातु भविष्यसि भविष्यशः
Thaha, not sha, bhavishyathaha.
okay it's tha okay.
Bhavishyasi, bhavishyathaha, bhavishya. But good, samyak, because you saw in the right place. Madhyama purusha, second line, second dvivachan. Correct. Okay. So with this we have finished 5 lakaras. We have finished lat, log, lang, vidiling, lit. The next week we will try to see abhyasa 10 to 13 or so. And from Monday we will try to start Sandhi. I will ask Swamiji what he thinks. Depending on that, we will start Sandhi very quickly. So if we are able to start Sandhi, we will be able to see Vedanta Granthas quicker, and later higher grammar also will become easier for us. Okay. Any questions? Okay.
No. Thank you.
Okay. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांतिः 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 शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः ओम शांतिः 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 ओम।